Hi, my name is Brett Stevenson and I'll be talking on behalf of my team, Super 8. Discussed in this short video will be a summary of the business proposal containing implementation plan for Web 2.0 for the International Geological Conference. The proposal aims to emphasize the business goals, problems, issues and opportunities facing the IGC and suggestions for Web 2.0 tools, concepts and practices that meet their business needs. Brisbane is set to host the International Geological Conference for 2012. The event will bring together 5,000 delegates from over 100 countries, of which 750 of the delegates attending this meeting will be under the age of 35. IGC has seen the need for social media as a tool to drive awareness of the event and to effectively connect IGC delegates and students by using social collaborative tools. As these tools are designed for engaging, interacting, and collaboration. Super 8 believes Web 2.0 adoption and implementation is the key and the answer. Discussed as one of the biggest and most important earth science events held globally, it was surprising to learn that little to no social media has been developed for the event. It has been noted that generating awareness is one of the key hurdles facing the IGC. Through the use of social networking, IGC will be able to successfully draw in and streamline communication between IGC delegates and students. The key point that Super 8 has taken into consideration is that these Web 2.0 tools must work in a manner that flows with how the organization and its employees already work. By embedding these tools into the current business applications and everyday processes, the level of success of employees adopting these will greatly increase. A well thought out business-oriented Web 2.0 implementation is highly capable of helping the IGC event realize the characteristics of adaptability and innovation. As for the general objectives, IGC aim is to provide a general assembly of geologists where ideas and information can be freely exchanged. This will greatly increase the amount of collaboration for the research internationally. Providing the opportunity through the way of geological excursions and to examine geological problems and features in the field, this will definitely attract more people like young scientists to participate and pay more attention to the IGC topics such as global warming. As well as contribution to the advancement of fundamental and applied research in the geological sciences, this will therefore allow a promotion of academical breakthroughs. Through the use of social media, Super 8 is aimed at incorporating the following internal and external objectives, which social media can be used as a vehicle that will assist to create the objectives listed below. The internal objectives are creating a greater awareness of the geological sciences among those potential delegates through the use of social media, which could recruit more delegates and increase IG participation in the future. Increase international research collaboration for delegates, and also increase exploration about promoting the development of the earth science and improving prosperity and the quality of human life. The external objectives are providing more opportunities to international scholars and also to strengthen public awareness of geology and advance geological education. The challenges or issues that need to be addressed are creating a greater awareness amongst those potential delegates through the use of social media, the limited measure to increase international research collaboration, the few channels of communication, and limited public awareness. When talking about the future need for IGC, and after analysing the current IGC marketing and communications platforms, as discussed earlier, it has been discovered that they don't have any of the popular social media Web 2.0 platforms. Therefore, in order to achieve the objectives as stated above, IGC will need to implement the latest social media technology such as blogs and microblogs, wikis, Facebook and Twitter, and Google Groups. Blogs and microblogs can help to enhance the internal and external organization's reputation. Wikis can help to collect useful information. Facebook can attract more people to participate in the conference, and IGC can manage the entire organization easily with Google Groups. The following business drivers have been identified and been separated into internal and external. The internal are potential delegates international research collaboration, and external includes external scholars like international postgraduates and PhD, and public awareness. When looking at the benefits, there are 5 proposed Web 2.0 applications for this project in terms of blog, microblog, wiki, Facebook, and Google Groups. Moreover, some useful activities and related objectives have been revealed above. At this part, we will focus on investigating the primary and secondary benefits for each proposal project if it achieves the expected outcome that we expect. Displayed are both primary and secondary objectives, but I will just be focusing on the primary objectives for now. For the blog and microblog, this creates an effective way to establish an IGC channel of communication connected with an external participator. It will also provide opportunities for external scholars to be able to realize the Congress issues. Additionally, it will attract more public attention. It provides opportunities for IGC to strengthen public awareness and education, while a successful measure to increase internal staff and delegates collaboration, while additionally attracting more potential delegates as well. The benefits of the wiki. Effective measure to increase IGC research collaboration, excellent platform for external scholars, and the stakeholders can study the user guidelines on it. The benefits of Facebook can help IGC attract more fans and more attention. It means IGC Facebook provides good opportunities to strengthen public awareness and education. And finally, the benefit of Google Groups is that it's extremely easy to manage and can be done so in the internal organization. Google Groups is also a great way of increasing cooperation internally. When discussing the return of investment of Web 2.0 tools, it's not always an easy calculation. Most businesses find it hard to produce an end number as it's all about productivity, communication, and worker efficiency, which are always notoriously difficult to measure. Blogs give the ability to place information on the internet on a day-to-day basis, allowing staff and people time and money from trying to find out what's going on. People reading the blog may attract a form of income but might not actually make it to the event. Microblogging gives people the ability to send a short message to anyone following them, thus allowing people to send a mass message to everyone that an event has been cancelled or maybe moved to a different location. A wiki in terms of return of investment is like a blog. It can gain new customers, brand loyalty, and new followers. Businesses involved are able to put the name on the wiki and create a source of income for advertising. Facebook can be seen as a free advertisement tool that only needs one employee to work it, instead of a whole team. Information can be sent in masses to allow followers to know what is going on. It is hard to put a number on return of investment, but it does happen, just not all in the one place. It can be done by saving money on staff, free advertising, or only need one staff member to run things now instead of a whole team. Finally, the milestones, which are an important event in implementing the Web 2.0 tools that have been laid out by Super 8, include 2 categories. The first is a major milestone which allows the IGC to monitor where they are in terms of implementing this technology. A minor milestone have a certain number of people reading or following Facebook, Twitter, or reading blogs. Facebook should be run all year round with constant updates on the conference or what is happening around the world. Minor milestone would have to be around 50,000 followers by the time the conference starts. The wiki should also be run all year round with weekly or monthly updates. Microblogging, it can be also run all year round, needs to have regular updates a few months before the IGC starts, ideally. A minor milestone would have to be around 50,000 followers reading the microblog. And finally, the blog is another tool that can be run all year round, but needs to have a regular updates a few months before the IGC starts. A minor milestone can be to have a few hundred regular readers on the blog who also post informative feedback. That concludes the presentation. Thank you very much for listening.